This is The Aura. I am Davina. Here are the stories making headlines today. The Jamaica Constabulary Force today denied claims made by Sergeant Tamika Taylor that she has been victimized since blowing the whistle on several high-ranking officers during a meeting with the police commissioner in 2020. Labeling her claims of victimization as patently false, the police said that while a meeting was held, it was convened primarily to discuss her displeasure with a personal matter of a promotion. On the crime scene, a taxi driver who placed the lives of several passengers, including a child, at risk while trying to evade a police chase on Monday, has been released from custody. A video of the incident circulated on social media, showing passengers in the vehicle pleading with the cabbie as he was being chased by officers. The driver has since been charged with breaches of the Road Traffic Act and given bail. Meanwhile, sections of St. Mary and St. Anne were flooded and blocked this morning as the parishes took a major battering Monday night with heavy rainfall which lasted into this morning. High flood waters, damaged roads, and the overflowing Ottram River in St. Mary kept vehicles off the roads and trapped residents at home. In other news, the National Commercial Bank this morning said it was experiencing disruptions with its ABMs, point of sales, and e-commerce services, but said it hoped to have the services restored in the shortest time possible. Jamaica Labour Party councillor for the Montego Bay South East Division, Arthur Lynch, was freed of charges when he appeared at the St. James Parish Court on Tuesday morning. Lynch was arrested last December after police received allegations of a domestic dispute involving his estranged wife. And in entertainment, Shenzia made her debut as a lead artist on 2 Billboard charts with her much talked about Lick single, which features Megan Thee Stallion. Lick debuted at number 23 on Billboard's R&B Hip-Hop Digital Song Sales chart and number 14 on Rap Digital Song Sales. The song also debuted at number 20 on Billboard Hot 100's Bubbling Under tally, which ranks the hottest songs outside of the Hot 100 chart. That has been The Aura. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Davina.